In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete a chart in Tradingview. Now you may be looking to either delete a saved chart or reset your chart back to normal. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do both of those things. And to start with, I'll be showing you how to delete a chart layout. So a chart layout is actually a chart that you've saved. As you can see up here, my chart's called Bitcoin Chart 1. And let's just say I wanted to get rid of this chart and create a new one. If I wanted to delete it, I can go down to where it says load layout, and we can see all of our layouts that exist. So if I wanted to delete my saved chart, I can simply click this X here to remove it, and then I can click yes to confirm, and as you can see, the layout is now gone and it's reverted back to how it was originally. Now if you've just got a chart with drawings and lines all over that you wanted to reset, how do we go about doing that? Well, the easiest way is to right click and then go down to where it says remove drawings. And if you've got indicators, you can right click and go down to where it says remove indicators and click that one as well. And from there, the chart will now be back to how it was originally. So that's how you can delete a chart in Tradingview. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.